So this is question number 3. 2.4 exercise. The sum of two digits of a two-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digit, it is found that resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the two-digit number? So we have to find the two-digit number. So we can simply start. Let the digit at the units place be x. So the digit at the tens place, this will become, because sum of the digit is 9. So if one digit is 5, other digit is 4. 9 minus 5. If one digit is 3, then other digit is 9 minus 3. So one digit is x. So other digit is 9 minus x. 9 minus x. This one. So the number, the original number what we get, or original number, here we have to keep it in mind. When we say 25, so 25, so simply we can write tens place is 2 and unit place is 5. But here tens place is x. So if we write here tens place is x and unit place is x, 9 minus x, 9 minus x. So this is the meaning of multiplication. If you put here, if you don't put, so x9 9x, so something will wrong. We cannot represent the digit at this in this way. But here when we write 25, so 25 can be written as tens place, the number of tens place should be multiplied by 2 and the number of unit place should be multiplied by 1. So 25 can be written as 10 into 2 plus 5. So this is the excellent way to represent this polynomial here. What we get here, this expression. So here 25, 10 into 2 plus 5. So similarly tens place should be multiplied by 10 and unit place should be multiplied by 1. So in this way we can write the digit at tens place 9 minus x. So this should be multiplied by 10. So 10 9 minus x plus unit place is x. So simply we can write x. So this is the original number, tens place number multiplied by 10, unit place number multiplied by 1. So this will come like this. This is equal to 10 into 9, 90, minus 10 into x, 10x, and we have one more plus x. So here minus 10x plus x, this will be minus 9x. So again this will be, this is equal to 90 minus 9x. This is the original number. When we get the value of x, we can get the original number. Here we have to write, we want to reverse the number. So number obtained simply obtained after reversing the digits. So what is that number? The number which is at tens place. For example, here Now the number at tens place will be x. 25, when we reverse 25, it will be 52. So 5 will come at tens place. So x will come at tens place. So we can simply write 10x and plus second number should be multiplied by 1, 9 minus x. So it will remain 9 minus 1. So simply we can write 10 plus 9 minus x. 9 minus x, this to be multiplied by 1, so it will remain like that. X will come at tens place to 10x plus 9 minus x. This is the unit place number, or we can write like this. This is the unit place, because unit place represent like this. So here we can write like this. This will come 10x plus 9 minus x, 10x plus 9 minus x. So this will again come 10x minus x, 9x. So here 9x plus 9. Here number obtained after reversing the digits according to the questions. According to the question, second number is greater than first number by 27. Here, resulting new number is greater than the original number. So new number is 9x plus 9. So we can write here 9x plus 9. This is 9x plus 9. Yeah. Nine x plus 9 is the number obtained after reversing the digits, and the original number is 90. So here we will write in bracket 90 minus 9x. So this is the original number, this is the new number. According to the question, difference is 27. So new number is greater than original number by 27. So 9x plus 9 minus 90 minus 9. Okay, here 9x plus 9 minus 90, and this will become minus minus plus. So this will be plus 9x is equal to 27. Now it will come like this. 9x plus 9x. This is 18x. 90 minus 9. So this will come like this plus 81 is equal to, here this, greater sign. So here will be minus, because 9 should be subtracted from 90, and we will apply greater sign of greater digit. So 90. So 18 minus 81 is equal to 27, or simply when 81 come to this side, so simply we can write 18x is equal to 27 plus 81, because minus will become plus, and here 18x is equal to 108. So when x, we want to find the value of x, so 108 should be divided by 18, because when 18 comes here, it will divide 108. So what we get, x is equal to 6. So the value of x is 6. So what is the original number? So hence original number here we can write hence 9, original number is 90 minus 9x. So 90 minus 9x is equal to 90 minus 9 into 6. So 9 into 6 directly I can write 54. So what we get? 36. Hence original number is, therefore the required number is equal to 36. We can see here the sum of the two-digit number is 9. When we reverse it, the number will become 63. So 63 is greater than 36 by 27. So we get the correct answer.